welcome back to my channel. I pray that this video reach you guys in great health and strength, filled with God's riches love, His joy, His peace, His happiness, and all of the amazing and wonderful things that life has to offer. In today's video, I'm just going to be showing you how to cook rice. That's it. Let's go. I know some of y'all might be saying, "Who would know for cook rice?" You'd be surprised. There are people that don't know how to cook rice. So keep watching. So you want to start with putting some water on the fire. I do not know how much water this is, but I am cooking a cup and a half of rice. So it could be about 2 cups of water. Okay, you can put some salt in the water or you cannot. I didn't put salt in it. So I'll be using this rice here. It is not brown rice that's in here, it is white rice, but I prefer cooking with brown rice because it's so much more palatable to me. So here I am scooping out the rice. I got this container that the rice is in from Amazon if you're interested. Alright, so now you want to wash the rice, or I like to wash my rice. I grew up, doing it this way. Washing your rice is important. So if you're watching this and you don't wash your rice, start washing your rice. And I washed it twice. I tend to use the first batch of water. I like to set it aside because I like to wash my hair with it, but that's neither here nor there. So here I am washing the rice for the second time. Wash, wash, wash. By this time the water is now boiling, so I am now going to put the washed rice into the pot of boiling water. I like to stir the rice around after pouring it into the pot because I don't want any of it to stick to the bottom of the pot. After stirring it, I like to cover it. So I like to cover the pot this way because if I put the whole thing over, it's going to boil all the way up and spill over and create a big mess. So that's why I like to put it that way. And I like to have a pot of hot water on another burner set aside for the cooking process, which you will see how that will go during this whole video here. So keep watching. This is a good maybe 10-15 minutes into the whole cooking process and the rice is almost done. So this is why I keep the pot of hot water close by, because I'm going to pour some into the pot right now, and it helps to keep the cooking process going as opposed to using cold water, which will slow it down. Here I am just checking to see if the rice was soft enough, and it was soft, but it just wasn't soft enough for me, so I let it cook for an additional 5 or 10 minutes before I strained it. Alright y'all, so we have made it to the end of the video. Now we are just straining the rice, and you all know how to strain rice. It's not that hard. I hope that you enjoyed this really quick video. I know people know how to cook rice, but some people don't know how to cook it. So I hope that this video was somewhat helpful for you. So please leave your thoughts and comments down below, and thumbs up this video, and I will see you in another video very shortly. So get to cooking. Yeah, bye.